Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to take photo one after another without any preview delay in Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So now you can see my Canon mirrorless camera. So firstly, just turn on your camera and let me take some picture firstly. So you can see here, once I captured a photo, it's showing me some preview for a few seconds. So I'm unable to take a picture one after another continuously since it's showing a preview. So in order to remove this preview delay, what you can do is just select this dial mode option, which is the manual mode. Now just press this menu option and select this camera option, and now keep pressing this right button. Once you selected this number 6 option, you can see here review duration option. Just click on it. Now just select the up option by pressing the up button and press this center button, that is a Q set, to select it. Now we have up the review duration. Now you can press the menu option again. Now let us try to capture some photos again. So you can see here it's not showing any preview again anymore, since I can take a picture after picture. So you can see here I can continually take one photo after another. So finally we have fixed this preview delay issue. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily take photo one after another without any preview delay in Canon DSLR or mirrorless camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Lastly, thanks for watching.